Over the past week, the external switch to open the Cybertruck driver door has become intermittent for many owners. The switch had to be pressed multiple times to open the door. It seemed that it has become progressively worse. Owners mentioned that on several occasions they have to press the switch a dozen times before the door would open. They had to open the passenger door to operate the interior driver door open button, then go around to get in the driver's seat. They can easily open the door first thing in the morning when it's cool. It progressively gets harder to get the switch to open the door as ambient temperature rises, until later in the day when the door switch won't work at all. Affected owners have already requested mobile service to fix the issue. Owners tried resetting the truck but confirmed that the issue still persists. We suspect the driver door switch problem is a hardware issue, as this switch gets used much more than the other doors.